Eh? What I do? Car wash. What we call it? Car wash. That's a joke. No, sir. People were supposed to say me an idiot. But yeah, man, we just make it short and easy. You see me? Sister, they, you know, get our car wash. You see me? Get our car wash, you know? Use up the word car wash a lot. You see me? I say, big bad car wash. We didn't want to get too much people facing this next year, you know? They might sue me. Alright, so we're going to take a group photo. Ready?
When did we
Dumbass. I guess it's not a photo.
When did that not sit? Are you one another line?
No, because me a black one. Yeah, because I know if you get the light the right
You're
way.
the whitest. You're white.
I'm can't smile like that.
What you say, son, I'm blind, yo. I say it to come on. Sure, what we say, car wash. It's all. Anyways, we have to say them done. Right? And then see the over there, so I'm go see it. And that then call, what them say, super wash. Super duper wash. What seed? Machine. Boy, I'm not like. Come pose up on the car, pose up on the car. Clean. Can't take the money, you know. Sure. And it still look clean.
Wanted to leave
So what you say? How was the service? How was the service? Was it good? Is it clean? What you think? What you think? Can't even see your face. What you think?
Not as clean as it was supposed to be.
Not as clean as it was
It's
supposed.
not clean.
Yo,
It's
watch
not
your
worth
road.
$25.
Yeah, but we life worth more than that though, so watch your road. Jesus Christ. Watch your road. Jesus, oh God. Anyways, that's it for today, you know what I mean? So, you know, like, subscribe, share, isn't it? Thanks.